Playboy, 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 playboy.
Hey guys, Deanna here. Welcome back to my channel. So jumping straight into the video, we're going to start off with the Smashbox palette. I'm going to use their orange shade and blend it in my crease. Now if you look at my face, I wasn't totally happy with how it was turning out because I was using a new base. I was using a new eye primer. It was the MAC Studio Fix Concealer, and it just left my eyes looking really patchy, and it looked really bad. So that's why I was looking like that, and I'm having a really hard time blending the shadows out because of that. So now we're going to go on with the darker shade, and I'm just going to focus this just on the outer V of my eye to give my eye some definition. I'm going to take this shade here and pop it on my lid. I wasn't originally going to go on my lid with anything, but y'all, it looked so patchy, and the concealer was the only thing I did differently. I always use my NYX concealer, and that never gives me any problems, and I always set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. So yeah, that was truly this concealer. Now I'm going in with my Stila Stay All Day liquid liner just to draw some wings, and Nicki Minaj's wings are always like kind of out there, so I'm just make sure I extend that wing out a little further than I normally do. And sorry if my voice is cracking, I just woke up. But off camera, I'm going to apply these lashes. I'll be sure to link the name in the description box. And now moving on the face, I'm going to use the Too Faced Hangover Primer just to prime my skin. And then I'm going to go over the area I need more help with, with pores. I'm going to use this Touche Éclat Blur Primer from YSL. Now going in with this LA Girl Concealer in Espresso, I'm going to use that to camouflage any dark spots that I have on my face. So now I'm going to go in with the Lancome Teint Idole foundation, and this shade isn't the perfect shade, but by the time we go in and like highlight and contour and all that good stuff, we'll be good. Now going back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, I'm going to highlight. And y'all, so just check out this facial expression. Like, this is stunk. Like, I don't know what was up with this concealer, but I'm like, yeah, this ain't right. So I had to switch to my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to finish highlighting my face. And I was like, oh my gosh, I hope my cheeks don't fall off, because this concealer, like, it had a scent to it. Like, and I use concealer all the time and it never stinks. So I don't know if I picked up a really old one, but yeah, now I'm just blending that out using the same brush I used to put on my foundation. Now taking my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, I'm going to use that and set everywhere that we highlighted. I really like this powder. I've been using it for like a very long time, and it's just my favorite brightening setting powder. So yeah, I'm just using that and setting my concealer, and now I'm going to go in and contour with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I think this one's in, I don't know the shade, but I'll be sure to put it in the description box. So I'm going to use that to contour, and using that same foundation brush, I'm going to blend it out. Like, y'all, this is my first time using this brush on myself, and I used it for everything. It's really nice. And now just to set that contour, I'm going to go in with this, which is the contour shade from the NYX Contour Palette. I'm just going to use that to set everything in place. So y'all already knew what was coming next. Like, y'all already knew. This is my CoverGirl Queen Bronzer in Ebony Bronze. I'm just going to use this to bronze up my complexion. And then we're going to go in with some blush. This one is from Nars. It's called Exhibit A. Taking my favorite highlighter, which is Matte Gold Deposit, I'm just going to highlight my cheeks. And I want it to be extra today, so I'm taking a little bit of the Too Faced highlighter in You Light Up My Life, and I'm popping that right on top. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm going in with this Nars eyeliner and just placing it in my waterline and smudging it along my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go back in with that dark shade from the Smashbox palette and smudge it across my lower lash line as well. And then I'm going to go back in with my Stila eyeliners and just line the inner corner of my eye. And is that it? Oh yeah, I'm going to apply some mascara, which is the Touche mascara. To finish off this makeup look, we're going to pop on a red lip. I'm using the lip liner in Cherry from MAC. And then I'm going to go in with the Fenty Stunna Lip Paint. And what else am I doing? Oh yeah, I'm going to take this eye art from Revlon and just use it to apply that gold line down the center of my lips. Sorry you couldn't see what I was doing because my mirror was blocking it. But that's basically what I did. And then I sprayed my face with Fix Plus. And then that is the end of the look. So I hope you all really enjoyed this Nicki Minaj inspired look. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye guys.